Before proceeding with maintenance of the electrostatic precipitator, it is important to cut the main electrical supply. Turn off the circuit breaker and use the appropriate lockout procedure. Also, ensure that the ventilation has been stopped and that the ventilation unit is locked out. Before opening the doors, close the disconnectors that are on the unit. You will need to wear your PPE, which are PVC gloves, protective glasses, and appropriate clothing, as well as a screwdriver with an insulated handle. After opening the door, there may be residual electrical current in the cell filters. Use the screwdriver to touch the central rod of a cell and the side of the filter at the same time to eliminate residual electrical charges. Then carefully remove and handle the filters from the unit to avoid damaging them. Repeat these steps for each section of the unit, then clean your filters and the inside of the unit. For filters located at the bottom of the unit, use the rod included in your maintenance kit.